everyone. Imagine a world where profit isn't the only measure of success, where companies thrive by also caring for people and the planet. What if your business could make a positive impact on the world while being profitable? Today, we will explore how sustainability and the triple bottom line makes this possible. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the concept of sustainability in business, learn the principles of the triple bottom line, and discover how to implement sustainable practices in your business. Sustainability in businesses refers to conducting activities in a way that ensures long-term economic success while also protecting and enhancing social and environmental systems. Environmental sustainability: reducing ecological footprint, conserving resources, and protecting ecosystems. Social sustainability: ensuring fair labor practices, contributing to communities' well-being, and promoting human rights. Economic sustainability: achieving long-term financial performance without compromising social and environmental responsibilities. Tesla focuses on producing electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions, significantly contributing to environmental sustainability while also achieving economic success. Interface: a global carpet manufacturer committed to eliminating its environmental impact by 2020 through its Mission Zero initiative. This included reducing waste, using renewable energy, and developing sustainable products, demonstrating a strong commitment to sustainability. The triple bottom line (TBL) is a framework that encourages businesses to focus on social and environmental concerns in addition to financial performance. The TBL emphasizes that companies should commit to measuring their success in three areas: people, planet, and profit. Let's start with people, which is social responsibility. Ensuring the well-being of employees, customers, and the community. This includes fair labor practices, community engagement, and ethical business practices. Unilever implements fair trade practices and actively supports social justice causes, ensuring positive social impact. Number 2, planet, environmental responsibility. Reducing environmental impact by adopting sustainable practices such as minimizing waste, conserving energy, and reducing carbon emissions. Petunia donates 1% of its sales to environmental causes and uses recycled materials in its products, showcasing a commitment to environmental stability. Number 3, profit, economic responsibility. Achieving financial success and ensuring long-term business validity while balancing social and environmental responsibilities. Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan aims to double the size of its business while reducing its environmental footprint and increasing its positive social impact. The TBL is like a three-legged stool where each leg, people, planet, and profit, is essential for stability and long-term success. Marks & Spencer's Plan A initiative focuses on becoming the world's most sustainable retailer by addressing social, environmental, and economic factors. This comprehensive approach has helped the company enhance its brand reputation and achieve financial growth. To successfully integrate sustainability into your business, consider the following steps. Number 1, assess your current impact. Conduct a sustainability audit to evaluate your current social, environmental, and economic impacts. Analyzing energy consumption, waste production, and employee satisfaction levels. Number 2, set clear goals. Establish specific, measurable, sustainable goals aligned with TBL framework, aiming to reduce carbon emissions by 20% over the next 5 years. Number 3, engage stakeholders. Involve employees, customers, and partners in your sustainability initiatives to build support and drive collective action. Creating a sustainability task force within your company to lead and monitor efforts. Number 4, implement sustainable practices. Adopt practices that promote sustainability, such as using renewable energy, reducing waste, and sourcing ethically. Switching to energy efficient lighting, implementing recycling programs, and choosing suppliers with fair labor practices. Measure and report progress. Regularly track and report on your sustainability goals to ensure accountability and continuous improvement. Publishing an annual sustainability report detailing achievements and areas for improvement. Implementing sustainability practices is like embarking on a fitness journey. It requires assessment, goal setting, consistent effort, and tracking progress to see meaningful results. IKEA's commitment to sustainability includes using 100% renewable energy in its operations and sourcing 100% of its wood and paper products from more sustainable sources. These efforts align with their long-term goal of becoming a fully circular business by 2030. Embracing sustainability and the triple bottom line can lead to a more resilient and successful business. Begin by assessing your business's current sustainability efforts. Set clear, achievable goals that align with the triple bottom line framework. Involve your team and stakeholders and take actionable steps towards a more sustainable and impactful business. For more insights on sustainable business practices, I highly recommend Green to Gold: How Smart Companies Use Environmental Strategies to Innovate, Create Value, and Build Competitive Advantage by Daniel C. Etsy and Andrew Whitson. Develop a sustainability strategy for a hypothetical or a real company using the triple bottom line framework.